Here we are at the home of Alasia Francis, a second grade student dealing with Common Core.
I don't like it because, if it's like 127 plus 18, so you gotta draw your 110s and 1s. So if it's gonna be 12 hundreds or 100, so you put your 1 down and you take it away 2. But if I do it 127 plus 18, and it goes 8 plus 7, so you can't take 7 from 8, so you gotta draw your box and make that a 17, and you go 17, add 8.
Alasia continues calculating the Common Core problem and eventually solves it.
So you just dropping your 4 down.
Does she sound confident to you? Let's speak with Alasia's mother, Tiffany Email, a 2006 graduate of H.L. Bourgeois.
I really do not like Common Core. It is so aggravating. My child does not understand any of it. If I write her problems the simple math way, she understands it. If not, the other way, so confused, she just does not get it.
I understand when my mama does it, but I don't understand when my teacher does it.
She then gave me a more intimate detail about her class.
And she's like, Alasia, do you understand? I'm still like, no, because I don't understand it.
Alasia and her mother are not the only two people with concerns about Common Core.
The biggest education controversy this year is over something called Common Core. Its supporters say it's just a single common standard that tells parents in every state this is what your kid ought to know.
It's standards. A lot of people have a misconception of what Common Core is. Common standards for content related to those subjects around the United States. So it's not just standards we have in Louisiana, it's standards they have in Kansas, it's standards they have in Texas and California.
Not that long ago, we had 50 different states, 50 different standards, 50 different tests. And what we saw was a progressive dumbing down. I saw in my own school in the South Bronx, not far from this, where we're sitting right now, kids who were counting on their fingers.
Because 153 minus 31. Because you think, like, you don't have 153 fingers and all that.
Even Bobby Jindal's family has been affected by Common Core.
So I have a boy who's now in the 3rd grade. He's very good at math. He was in 2nd grade last year. Very frustrated. He'd get the answers always right, but for example, just a trivial example, he was asked, 18 plus 4 on a math worksheet. He wrote down the answer was 22, but under Common Core, you've got to draw several steps to get there.
I don't like it because you circle it, put a big X on it. I don't understand why you put an X on it.
That you had to explain using several steps why is that answer. He wrote on every single answer because it is. And
Bobby Jindal is not the only person with a Common Core story. A new story has gone viral on Facebook. Jeff Severt, a 2nd grader's father, wrote a special note on his son's homework. Here's the letter.
Don't feel bad. I have a Bachelor of Science degree in electronics engineering, which included extensive study in differential equations and other higher math applications. Even I cannot explain the Common Core mathematics approach, nor get the answer correct. In the real world, simplification is valued over complication. Therefore, 427 minus 316 equals 111.
That's hard.